So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make all clips the same duration in CapCut. So the first thing you want to do, and you can do this through the web version or the app for PC. I'm just going to show you through the app on PC since it's going to be easier for me. So let's open this. You will need to add a picture file. So if you wish to create a slideshow or something similar and you need all the files to be the same length, I will just show you through these two files which are different lengths, and you will need to select them both by just dragging and selecting two of the files on the timeline. After you've done that, you'll see in the top part of the page video and the adjust option. You could go to video, you can see position, rotate, you can see scale, and you can select these two. Just make sure they are the correct file, since you can do this a couple of different ways. So on here you can see the speed and stuff similar to that. You can also drag both of them up. Let's use and make sure that these two files are the same length, so I can do just this and then expand it for it to be the same length and then return it back here. And if I wish to apply some changes that or expand and reduce in length the both of them, I just select both of them and then go to here to, you can see I'm expanding or I'm reducing the length for both videos. You can do that with multiple videos, doesn't have to be just two. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on CapCut or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.